I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss.
Is that you? That is you. Jeremiah the Vegan Entrepreneur here. In today's episode, I'm going to discuss with you how to get vegan recipes with this app that is a gift from God. Okay? It is a lifesaver for me. I cannot cook, and then when I want to get something vegan friendly, obviously, because I'm obviously trying to promote veganism and I'm a vegan myself, I don't know what to make because I haven't been a vegan that long and I don't know what recipes to put together. So I use this app that I came across called Deliciously Vegan, and it will help not only me but you. This is a great app that you can use when you're first starting to become when you're just starting to become a vegan, or you're looking to transition into veganism because you don't know anything else other than either vegetarian, which means you eat dairy, or you don't know what to do after you left the carnivore world, eating all the meats and chickens and hams and turkeys and eggs and all that stuff. So I'm going to talk to you guys about this app. Let's do the review. First of all, let me say this. When I was looking up a vegan friendly app, because I never know what I want to eat and I don't know what's good, I looked it up on the app store on my iPhone, and the first review I seen, it has overall rating of 4.1 out of 5. Which I think is pretty impressive. If you got a pretty popular app and you have a 4.1, there's a lot of picky customer people. Customers are picky, so 4.1 is pretty good out of 5 stars in my personal opinion. The first comment that I see: I never review or even download apps, but I had to do for this one. Where has this app been my whole life? I'm so happy I found this app. Thank you. I've been vegan for the last year and I've become so bored and uninspired recently of eating the same things, salads, blah blah blah. I'm not very creative, and she just continues to continue on. So that goes to show you she hates it. Okay, she hates it a lot. No, I'm just joking. Obviously she likes it. Let's do a review on this app. Okay, let's put the screen up here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is first, you have all of these options once you log into the app. You obviously got the free recipes, and then what you have to pay for, and then you have the main ingredients and stuff that you can pay for. The free recipes, they don't really give you that many options, but the main ones and the other ones outside of the free recipes, you get for the free recipes you get limited stuff, but the main recipes, that's where you get all of those recipes. The reason why I like this app, one of the things that I like, is that when you go into different recipes, it tells you how long it's going to make them. And as you can see in this category, I believe this is the main category that we're looking at right now while this video is playing. This is where you go to the main stuff at. Okay, now I will let you know that just like a lot of apps, it is free to use this app, but you only get a limited amount of recipes. Otherwise it is $5 for all of the recipes. I paid my $5. That's why I'm doing this video, and that's why I'm able to look at all of these recipes. Okay, now what we got here, let me open this screen up because this looks beautiful. You got your portobello mushroom burgers. You got your easy vegan pizza. Oh, that looks great. That takes 45 minutes. You got your tofu scramble with kales, just like eggs. Then you got your baked falafel pita pockets, okay? Then you got your lentil meatballs that takes 45 minutes. Then you got your 10th avocado, cucumber, and maki rolls. Looks like sushi. That takes 15 to 30 minutes, it looks like. You got your naan that takes 10 minutes or 50 minutes, I think. Then you got your cauliflower. Don't support cauliflower because it's a GMO. But it's okay. We're going to keep it moving. Then you got your dinner roll roast, whatever that is. Then you got your computer. I said computer. Cucumber, Lattice rolls. And let's go over to something else. It looks like we're going over to snacks. If you like me, you like sweets and you like to eat, let's look at some of the snacks. You got the maso hummus. You got your avocado toast. Oh man, I love that. You got your crispy baked avocado fries. You gotta try that. The lemon poppy seed muffins. Gotta try that. The almond butter caramel puff rice balls. Oh, gotta have that. Then you got your charred grilled pineapples. Well, let's look at this almond butter caramel rice puffs, okay? It gives you the ingredients. This is what I like about it. It gives you the 80 ingredients. It says you get 2.5 cups of smooth almond butter and all this stuff. It gives you all of the ingredients. And then I like the directions. It tells you step by step on what you need to do. And it gives you tells you how to do it. And the tips, it gives you tips on what you can replace it with and stuff like that. You're a lame. So, that's my wife. She's interrupting my video, but it's okay. I'm going to keep it. Alright, so, I think that this app is amazing. So, I encourage you guys to go download that. Matter of fact, don't even use the free recipes. Go ahead and pay the $5. I'm not sponsored by them. Matter of fact, since I've done this video, I might look and see if they got an affiliate link or something like that while I get a little something. But this vegan video, this app is amazing. What did you take? What did you take? Did you take my car or something? Anyways, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I give you some good information like I always do.
Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.